Confronting and surviving danger as a family. Hey everyone, Rob Crossman here from Total Prepping, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'd like to discuss with you guys confronting and surviving danger as a family. So if you're ready, let's get to the good stuff. There are way too many instances where families face danger as a group. Thousands of home invasions occur every year where two or more criminals break into a house. Sometimes they may grab a child and threaten their life. The parents' panic and fear for the child's safety will make them slaves to the criminals' demands. The criminals and bad guys don't care because they've done this before. The worst part about this scenario example is that it occurs over 400,000 times a year in the US alone. And it's not even a disaster situation. All of these crimes occur during peacetime. Imagine what could happen if there was a breakdown in society and anarchy prevailed. In these situations, you want to be very well prepared so you can last the distance. The example that I just mentioned has happened countless times before. As scary and horrifying as it may seem, this is reality. Here are 4 quick tips you can do for surviving danger as a family. Number 1, proper planning. Depending where you live, you may need to prepare for the possible disasters or emergencies that may affect you. Live near the sea? Then there might be a possibility of a tsunami. If you live in an area that's used to having earthquakes, you may encounter more earthquakes over a period of time. How about hurricanes? Floods? If they've happened in your area before, they could happen again. No matter where you live, you want to be prepared. For example, there's always a chance that someone could try to break into your house and rob or abduct your child. You may want to sit down with your family and explain to your children what they need to do if this should happen. Simply rehearse and role play the plans on a regular basis so they know what to do if this should happen. Having a plan in place is one of the best ways for a family to overcome danger. If the kids are safe, the parents will not be at the mercy of any criminal elements. Number 2, obeying instructions. It goes without saying that during a crisis, kids will need to obey their parents' instructions without question. Now is not the time for debate, tantrums, or reasoning. Every second counts. Make sure and ensure that your child is disciplined and obedient when it matters. Number 3, ganging up. There's strength in numbers. If 2 criminals break into your house and you have 3 teenage children, ganging up on the attackers will increase their chances of survival. Try, if you can help it, to never allow yourselves to be tied up. When you get tied up, you feel helpless and you're at the criminal's mercy. The general thinking here is to overwhelm the attackers with more numbers. Now I will say this, most experts don't suggest you try this method, especially if the attackers have weapons. And number 4, firearm training. If you live in a country where people are allowed to have guns, it's best that you own one too. When your children are old enough to learn how to use a firearm, you might want to send them and get them trained at a firearm training center. Knowing how to use a firearm is a very useful skill. For example, a 15-year-old girl who is alone at home will be no match for 3 men who break into the house late one evening. It is possible that they could overpower her, beat her, rape her, and may even kill her. There's a very slim chance of her defeating all 3 of them if she has a firearm and she knows how to use it. A firearm instantly levels the playing field. If you decide to go the firearm route, make sure that everyone is properly trained. There are plenty of firearm safety training classes available. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on surviving danger as a family. Now, in the description below and the pinned comment, click the link, head on over to my blog, and get your free step-by-step guide that will walk you through the process of creating your own action plan in case of an emergency. It's 100% free. Just click the link and head on over to the blog and you'll see plenty of places where you can opt in and pick it up. So if you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all your family, friends, and your prepping and survival peeps. This helps me out a lot, and it actually helps me keep the lights on here at Total Prepping. And if you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a video. I am uploading videos weekly. Once again, I'm Rob Crossman from TotalPrepping.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night. Take care, and God bless.